So hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Patrick here from Finstock University. Today I'll be showing you a trending dance known as the Am I Wrong? So I'll be teaching him live, so it's gonna be easy for you to follow along. So let's go. So the first move of the dance, you wanna make sure you are bringing your weight to the right leg, to the left leg. Yes, so that you're moving with the right leg. So you go like 1. So let's go 1. Yeah. So you're tapping the ground with your hip. So like 1, 2. So and the other side you go 1, 2. Yeah. So let's try from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2. The next move, you want to make sure your body is moving forward, but your leg is behind. So you're going like this. Boom, boom. Yeah, something like that. So for 4 times. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. So we're starting from behind. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Nice. Boom. Now the next step, you wanna go down, like boom. Okay? So let's try. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom. Go 1.
Oh, the right.
Yeah. So 1, go down. Now do it with the left one. 1. Nice.
So
Boom, 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 boom. Nice. Let's try. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom. 1, boom, 2. That brings us to the next move. So we're still down. So you're gonna clap behind your legs. So you go down, clap, down, clap. So let's try. 5, 6, 7, 8. Down, clap, down, clap. Nice. So let's try from here. Yeah. So let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. 1, boom, 2, boom, clap, boom, clap. Nice.
oh,
Let's go.
this young one wants to kill me.
So let's try from the top. Okay? From here. So let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, 1, down, 2, down, clap, down, clap. Nice. The last move, guys. You can start smiling because you're almost done. So the last move, we're still down. So you go 1. Yeah. So down, 1, down, in. So down, out, down, in. Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. So what you gonna do?
Oh, why?
You try from the top. Then the next step we're gonna do it with music. So let's try from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, swipe, down, clap, down, in, down, out. That's it.
This is awesome.
So let's try it with music. So here.
This is a thing we made.
Well, so you're gonna try with some music. So let's see.
Atakuja kurekodi ile ya mama.
Twende.
Kodi hapa ni ngapi? Goja.
Hapa ni 1, 2, 1.
Oh, hiyo yako ni fast sana.
1, 2.
Wako hivyo. Because we got
Eka heel.
nika hilo. Oh.
Hivyo. 1, 2, 1, 2. Hivyo.
Oh, haya.
Twende. Twende.